Hi, welcome to LYNQ's Kitchen. Today on Cooking with LYNQ, we are going to be making bruschetta, or as Antonella makes me say it, bruschetta. So that's the Italian way, bruschetta. So we're first gonna start off just by cutting some baguette, some nice, fresh French bread. Just cut it into slices, and we're just going to add some olive oil and put it on broil in the oven for a little bit, just to get them a bit crispy. So just brush them lightly. Now that these are all oiled on both sides, I'm just gonna pop them into the oven on broil just for 2 minutes, just to brown the top. So now we're gonna make the topping. So just chop 8 tomatoes into small pieces. So I like to make them into a quarter and then small pieces from there. And then you just put them all the small pieces chopped in a bowl. And do it with all 8. So after you chop all the tomatoes, you're gonna chop some fresh basil, about 1/3 of a cup chopped. So what I like to do is roll the basil and then just then we take 2 cloves minced, and you can add that to the mixture, some salt and pepper. We're gonna grate some fresh Parmesan cheese, and we're gonna add about 1/4 of a cup. Some olive oil, and of course we're going to put about a spoon and a half of powdered to add even more fruits and veggies. So we just add this all in, mix it all in together. Normally we would want to put this in the fridge for a couple of hours just to let all the flavors sort of settle into each other, but I'm going to just put it on right now, even though it's still going to taste good. So I took these out of the oven. We just want to have them golden on top. I flip them over and golden on the other side. And now we can start adding the tomatoes onto the bread. So once they are all ready and plated, then you take some balsamic reduction. This is store-bought, but if you want to make your own balsamic reduction, all you have to do is take balsamic vinegar and boil it until it really thickens, and then that becomes your balsamic reduction. So you just sprinkle. Nice. Cannot wait to try this. It's excellent, of course, but this is one of my favorite foods, so really good. Please like and subscribe and share our videos and try it out. Test out this recipe and let us know how you like it.